Hi student, today we are going to start our general science chapter number 4, that is disaster management. Now identify the disasters in these pictures. Can you guess what are they? Yes, first is an earthquake, second one drought, third one flood, then forest fire, storms and volcanic eruption. Why these occur? These occurs are in the natural processes. These are the natural disasters. Now what is meant by the disaster? See the definition. Disaster means a sudden event that caused a large scale damage to the property and social aspect of a nation or a society is called the disaster. Okay, so there are two types of disasters, natural disaster and man-made disaster. Natural disasters, earthquake, flood, storm. Now above I have told you that all. Now man-made disasters means leakage of chemical gases, bomb blast, terrorist attack. These are the man-made disasters. We all people have to suffer from that. We have to contribute for that all. Now here are some disasters which occur suddenly and recently. We know this about well in 2020 only. Now super cyclonic storm Amphan. It was a powerful and deadly tropical cyclone that caused widespread damage of eastern India, specifically West Bengal and also Bangladesh in the May 2020. It was also the third super cyclone that hit West Bengal since 1582, causing over US 13 billion of damage. Amphan is also a costly cyclone ever recorded in the northern Indian Ocean, surpassing the record held by the cyclone Nargis of 2008. Next event, Aurangabad railway accident. It is a man-made thing. On the morning of the 8th May 2020, an empty goods train ran over and killed 16 migrant workers sleeping on or by the track near the Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. One additional worker sleeping nearby was injured. Third number, Nisarga cyclone. It was a strongest tropical cyclone to strike Maharashtra in the month of June since 1891. And fourth one, Visakhapatnam gas leak. It was also referred to as the Vizag gas leak, was an industrial accident that occurs at the LPG polymer chemical plant in R.R. Venkatpuram village of the Visakhapatnam on 7th May 2020. Gas leakage is also a man-made disaster. The resulting vapors cloud spread over a radius of about 3 kilometers, affecting the nearby the areas and the villages. As per the National Disaster Response Force means NDRF, the death toll was 11 and more than 1000 people become sick after being exposed to the gas. Now these are the few examples recently occurs that I recall. Just for your extra information, you should know it what happened around us. Now open your textbook, page number 26. We will start the lesson detail wise. Now management disaster. First pictures are there. We have to identify which are they. I have told you in the start of the video. Now see, the first disaster is there. Now first one, again examples are given here. Disaster, that is the effect of the earthquake at the Kilari. In July 2014, the whole village of Malin in the Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in the matter of minutes due to the landslides. Many got buried under the heaps of the soil and the stone and lost their lives. Now see, in the Malin in the Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district, full village was underground and many people buried under the heaps of the soil. Buried means hide under the ground or put under the ground. Because of many buildings, many houses collapse. So this happens. Here are also few examples. See next example. In November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in the Tamil Nadu. Third example, in 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Kilari in the Latur district. And fourth event, even today, people of Mumbai feeling the thrill, that is the shudder, at the memory of July 2005, when many people had lost their lives in the Degul, means a severe flood, means Mahapur, caused by a heavy rains. These are the examples for the from your textbook. Now match the pairs. Now see, match the pairs. Earthquake. One side I have given the incident, that is the disaster, and next B group I have given the year, in which year it occurs. Now see, earthquake in Latur, floods in Mumbai, Malin village disaster, and heavy rain in the Tamil Nadu. Now see the answers. Earthquake in Latur 1993, floods in Mumbai 2005, Malin village disaster 2014, and heavy rains in Tamil Nadu in the 2015. Write this in the notebook for your objective exam. Now we'll go for the next point, that is the definition is there. What is disaster? A sudden event that causes large scale damage of life, property, and the social aspect of a nation or a society is called the disaster. Use your brain power. These questions, your personal response is there. Now you have to, everybody's answer is different. What disasters can occur in the school or on the way of the school? According to you, what can be done to deal with such disasters? So you find out these answers. Next, page number 27. How and why do the following disasters occur? Now, floods due to heavy rains. It is natural. Next one, an earthquake, lightning, a volcanic eruption. Third number, forest fire. Fourth number, increased risk due to the high density of population in the limited area. Fifth number, rampart. Rampart means something that unwelcome or unpleased, and irregular constructions. Sixth number, ecological imbalance. Seventh number, terrorism, riots. Means a violent disturbance of the peace by the crowd, means in Marathi we call the dangal, and the crime resulting the bomb explosion, assault, fire, and the accident, means here physical attacks are included also. Now classify the following disasters as man-made or natural. Fire, earthquake, leakage of chemical gases, storms, floods, tsunami, bomb explosion, collapse of buildings, war, forest fire. These you have to make 2 columns in your notebook and write down in the notebook. Now disasters are of mainly 2 types, that are man-made disaster and natural disaster. Now first we will see the natural disasters, and from that we will see the first one, that is the earthquake. What is meant by the earthquake? Movement in the interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy. This cause seismic waves, leading the movements of the earth's surface like a tremors. Tremors means involuntary movement, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations or cracking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. It is believed that beside other causes, man-made causes like mining and the construction of a big dam can also lead to the earthquakes. Now, effects of the earthquake. Destruction of infrastructure, that is the buildings, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Second, change in the direction of the flow of the rivers. And third number, huge loss of a life and property. This is about the earthquake. Next disaster, that is natural disaster, is the floods, that is second number. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is floods. Due to the excessive rain in the same place, a river overflows in a banks called flood. The water drainage system in a big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in the cracking, chopping of gutters and drainage lines. Water overflows on the roads and the surrounding areas or even enters nearby the houses. You very well know about the flood situation, how it is there. Last 2 years we have suffered from this flood situation. We have seen this by from nearly. Now effects of the floods: huge loss of the life and property, soil erosion, destruction of the standing crop means standing crops become root means damage it is. After effects of the flood like a spread of diseases and epidemics. Epidemics means a widespread occurrence of an infectious diseases. In Marathi we can call it साथीचे रोग on affecting the health of the people. These are the effect of the flood situation is there. Now next page, that is the page number 28. On this page we have to study the third number natural disaster, that is the storm. Now definition of storm or how it occurs, see here. The formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes the changes in the weather resulting in a strong winds or a storm. It is called the storm. Now effects of the storm. What effect happen? Great damage in the storm affected region. Tremendous loss of life and property. Disruption of electric supply. Disruption of transport and communication. These are the effect by the storm. Now fourth number natural disaster, that is the forest fire. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in the forest, pastures or grasslands due to the natural or a man-made causes. Forest fire spread at the tremendous speed. We cannot control it. Effects of forest fire: great damage of natural wealth and the biodiversity and pollution of the air. These are the causes of the forest fire. Can you tell how many children are there in your classroom at present? We have to count the student. Now what would happen if 5 times this number sat in your class, means 5 times more? Means suppose today 40 students are there in your class, then 5 times means 200 students. If these all students come in your class, then what will happen? Which kind of disaster can occur an extremely crowded place? What will happen? You will not get the place to stand up also, and there is very less amount of oxygen. You cannot get the oxygen, then suffocation will be occur there. Now next definition, that is the disaster management. What is disaster management is there? A community participation and disaster management are closely related. Taking steps to prevent the disaster, making plans to the face disaster, and developing the capacity for that is called the disaster management. Do underline and by this definition. To prevent or reduce damage caused by the natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required, and for that institutes are working. And name is National Disaster Management Authority, was published in 2000. And next point, always remember, during a disaster helping and supporting each other is our moral responsibility. And when institute work, they have given a phone numbers: police 100, fire brigades 101, ambulance 102, disaster management 108. We have to call them when you are in the trouble or you are in the natural disaster. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day. Read this lesson. Okay, bye.